Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Tango account. So first of all, launch open Tango application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the options like continue with Google, continue with phone. So what you have to do is simply tap on the sign in method that you used while creating your account. I'd use Google to create my account, so I'm just going to tap on the option continue with Google. Now once you do that, simply choose an account to continue. Tap on the account that you used while creating your account. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll directly be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Tango account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.